question is, if you had a superpower for a day, what would you choose?
Oh, superpower.
Yes. So what would you choose?
If I will get superpower in one day, right?
Yeah. Well, one thing
Yes.
that you have a smile on your face, right? And you have a very calm
Yes.
nature. You talk with full of energy on camera. So tell me, the person is the same, like Jadoo is the same off camera as well, or there is any different personality off camera? So, if your life had a background music, so would it be calm, dramatic, or full of energy?
Yes.
Fans.
Yes, my friend also they asked me funny questions. Like one person was, I think if I talk about one more funny person, he was one person who had come to my home to take my interview. Like he took my interview at the time. He was taking my interview, so he was asking me some funny questions to me that time. Yes.
Okay, share me. Would you mind sharing only one question? Share with me as well. I also
I
want to laugh.
think, what will I say? Yes, that was like about, what will I say? How can I say? About girl he was asking me. Yes.
Oh my god. Meant for you, diamonds are created under pressure, and the people and the strong soul like Jadoo created through struggle, and your struggle shows in your personality, Jadoo. Right? So keep shining, keep growing. I guess you are the great example of us. You are the great inspiration for us, right?
I think success also. In the beginning time, that time mostly I was practicing English speaking in the forest area, like in the village. Very well. If you will speak, people will think about your languages. He speaks different English. He speaks different English like that. They will think. They will not understand. Then they can say crazy. He is crazy. He is crazy like that. So then I decided I should show up by opening YouTube channel that I was doing this. Like I was practicing because people were not able to know about me that what he was doing. So they knew me when I went viral on YouTube that Jadoo was practicing English in the forest like that.
Yeah.
So they knew.
Good morning, Jadoo. Wishing you a
Good.
day is full of positivity and happiness. How are you doing today?
Today I'm doing great. Tell me, how are you doing?
Yes, I am also feeling fresh and motivated and delighted to have a wonderful conversation with you. Thank you so much
Okay,
for
why not?
joining. Yes, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm really, really happy. Thank you for accepting my request.
Okay.
So tell me, how did you kick off your day?
Today I started my day, every day, in the early morning I study, like I do my study. So today's morning was very good. Early morning was very good for me. That time I was studying, and today what happens like at night around 5, no 4 a.m. in the early morning around people were dancing in our village. Means the marriage is happening. So really
Okay.
I was enjoying.
Wow, that's wonderful. I can see the vibe. Okay, then. So tell me, what were your results? What about your result? Did you get your 10th standard result?
Yes, I got 10 standard result, and now I took the admission in college. Yesterday I took admission. Yes.
Wow. First of all, tell me, how was the result? Did it match as per
Yes,
your expectations?
really, it got matched. According to my expectations, what I wanted to get, what marks I want to get, that I got. Really, I am very happy to get that much marks at least.
Wow, wonderful. Means, your result, you got your results with flying colors. I'm really happy to know about it. Okay. So, would you mind introduce yourself first? I guess we should introduce ourselves first.
Why not? Introduction is very important before it begins talking. So, if I talk about my introduction, my name is Jadoo Kisko. Yes. I come from Jharkhand State, Sahibganj district. If I talk about my education, now I'm in the college after taking the admission. If I talk about my family members, there are 6 members in my family. That's all about me.
Wow, lovely to know about you. My name is Meenakshi. I'm from Punjab, specifically from district Jalandhar. So currently, I
Yes.
am a homemaker. I am a blessed with one baby girl, and moreover, I am a spoken English teacher. Simultaneously, I'm running a YouTube channel by the name of Meenakshi English Vibes. So it's a nutshell introduction from my side. Thank you so much for asking.
Okay. Oh, you have channel too. You have channel. Great. So how did you think that I should open a YouTube channel, that I should work on YouTube? Who motivated you to open a YouTube channel by looking whom you studied, or you thought by yourself that I should run YouTube channel for
Yes.
improvement?
I motivated by myself because I was curious to see myself on YouTube. So that's how when I started my English learning journey, I used to watch some videos over YouTube. So over time, I thought, okay, I should also start my own YouTube channel where I can see my own improvement. So that's how I started, and I have learned each and everything on by on, and now I have reached this level, right? So I guess running a YouTube channel itself means you are learning and you can see your growth, isn't it?
Really, why not? Why not? Yes, we can see growth. And I think you will be able to see growth now because you have a channel. So tell me what improvement you are able to see now because of YouTube channel. Like, very well, YouTube channel can last for a long time. Means you can save your videos. Like anytime you can watch, search your channel, then you can find out. But if you will keep by recording any videos in your like gallery or file manager, some days you have to delete that. But on YouTube, you don't need to delete. Again, you can get that videos that I spoke this much, like this English, right?
Right, exactly. And I can see my personality has changed like day and night as compared to earlier. Right? Every day I can see the
Yes.
significant change in my videos. Right? And I am only who can see our growth. Right? Yesterday I couldn't able to occur this word. Today I am able to use or incorporate such new words in my speaking. So that's a wonderful growth which I can see.
Yes, really, you are getting wonderful. Uh, success means nowadays you are improving your English because of channel too. You are communicating with many people. Like it happens when you will talk with any person, you will really improve English. Everyone will improve if they will talk. It depends on person. If he talks to himself at home. I think I have seen people in the beginning time they talk only them in the beginning. Right?
Yes.
They start getting ideas to talk on video call with people. So how did you get this idea that I should talk with people on video call? Who told you? And how did you start getting person for video call?
Actually, initially I started taking attending sessions with English Shari tutors, right? And after then, like I
Yes.
had a first conversation with Rajni Verma. She is also a famous YouTuber. After then, I started attending sessions with English Shari. Meanwhile, people started mailing, and then I started connecting with them. And nowadays I am associated with group where I can meet with so many YouTubers, and every day I try to talk to them. So that's how I learn, impart my knowledge, and gather some knowledge from them. So this is my journey, like this is that's how my journey is going on.
Yes. So which part of speaking related things you are improving nowadays? Like listening, thinking, reading, watching, improving advanced. Which one part you are learning now, this time, nowadays?
Listening and speaking, which are the most integral part of learning, right? Apart from that, writing, like
Yes.
whenever I come across with any new word, I try to use that word, jot down that word on my notebook, try to make some new sentences, and whenever I gather any new thought, I try to jot down on my notebook. So this is a writing part so far. I'm not writing anything else apart from this. And in the term of reading, every day I read a story which is fascinating for me. I try
Yes.
to read which can motivate me, and where I can gather some knowledge and try to motivate myself every day. So that's how it's going.
Yes. So are you good in writing also? Like you can read, you can write very well, like in good handwriting. How is your handwriting of English?
No, 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 no. My handwriting is not good at all. I can't even share my handwriting with you. I am very bad at handwriting. But I can understand whatever
Yes.
I write, I can understand. That's enough for me.
Yes. Yes. Some people, I think they are able to write very good. Like I think some people have that much ideas to write. They can write as it was written, like from computer, like that. They can write. Right. I have seen many videos on YouTube. They write by their hand, like computer.
Mhm.
You will not be able to recognize that word that was written by any human. Means you will think that was written by computer. Yes,
Yes,
like
yes,
that.
sometimes because nowadays we have AI, we can, convert our words from our natural words to computerized words, AI words, isn't it? But then it all up to us that
Yes.
first we should think first how long we can think out of box. After then we should take help from AI. What do you think?
Yes. Yes, really. So do you believe in AI or not?
Yes, yes. My personality has changed because of the AI. AI is like a mentor nowadays. If you don't have AI, then you have to talk to a person, isn't it? That's how we
Yes.
can find our mistake. But I can't completely rely on AI, right? So first, I
Yes.
put my
You know,
thoughts, then I can exchange it.
yeah. Nowadays, Sahib, I'm looking nowadays people, they are quite crazy about AI. They are crazy after AI, means like nowadays, before I think 2 years around or before one, year, that time people were listening real song, real, curated song, But nowadays, in my cast, especially in my language, whatever songs available in my language, I don't know about the language of other, songs of other language, but of my language, like which is my native language. If I talk about the songs of my native language, so people made AI completely, and they don't hear real song. They hear AI of that song. They search, so they they like nowadays.
Actually.
Everyone is crazy about AI nowadays.
Right. Exactly, Jadu. It happens nowadays, right? So nowadays people completely rely on AI. Everything is becoming AI actually, right? So
Yes,
what
really.
okay, can I ask one question to you?
Why not? Yes, yes. I'm ready to answer of that question.
Yes.
Whatever you want to ask.
Okay, so I have a
Yes.
question. This is not related to your journey because I have seen so many of your videos where you have mentioned about your journey. How did you start, and how do you teach even students? I have watched many of your videos, but my questions are different from those questions, right? So, okay, so my
Yes.
first question is, if you had a superpower for a day, what would you choose?
Oh, superpower.
Yes. So what would you choose?
If I will get superpower in one day, right?
Yes, for a day,
Means,
for
yeah,
one day.
yes. For one day, like you asking about if you will get magic trick to get anything in one day. So first,
Any
what would you
superpower.
choose?
Yes, yes. Any superpower. You can give me answer anything, whatever comes into your mind. Don't be tricky. I'm just asking you very simple question, funny one and interesting one.
Yes. So if I talk about myself, like house,
Hmm.
house, money, car, vehicle.
Oh
First,
my
which is my requirement that I will take most. Yes. First.
God. Okay. Right. Means you would like to get house, car, and
Yes.
these things. Okay. So if you had a superpower, first you will build your house, you will buy a car, right?
Yes. First, I will build house, big house, and then I will think to buy any vehicle. Yes.
Okay, then. Wow, what a wonderful answer. That's amazing. Okay, so if your life had a background music, so would it be calm, dramatic, or full of energy?
Yes,
Tell me.
really. Yes. So
If
what did you ask? I was not hearing.
okay, if your life had a background music, right? Like you listen to music, but if your
Yes.
life would be a background music, so what would you choose? It would be calm, dramatic, or anything else like energy. Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to music. Yes.
So what would you expect from your life?
Yes. From my life.
Yes, yes. Would it calm? Would it be calm or energy? What would you choose? Which
I
music?
think I would energy. I think maybe.
Energy. Okay, you would choose energy for background music. Wow. Because you have already a positive aura and you are the inspiration of so many people, right? Because in this age, you have achieved a very, a particular level or milestone in the age of very early age, I must say, right? Because still you have completed your 10th, and I vividly remember I was not aware that what should I choose, what should I do in this age, right? So obviously you are the inspiration, you are the motivation of so many people around the world, and I can see your energy, and you had choose a very beautiful thing which can relate to your life as well. So definitely your life would become like the background music of your life would be energy. I really appreciate your answer. So
Okay.
tell
Thank you.
me,
Thank you.
Jadu, one thing
Yes.
that you have a smile on your face, right? And you have a very calm
Yes.
nature. You talk with full of energy on camera. So tell me, the person is the same, like Jadu is the same off camera as well, or there is any different personality off camera?
No. It is us. I am on camera like that in the reality also.
Off camera.
Like camera, some people think that Jadu is different on camera, and in the reality he is different. Like that they think, but it is not that. Like also on camera, I'm same. While smiling, I talk, ask anyone like that. It is kind of my habit became. Yes, since I started talking with people.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
Very nice, very nice. Okay. So
yes.
have you ever asked any question, like funny question, your fan have ever asked you any funny question?
Why not? Like while giving motivations in English Institute, I ask many funny questions to students to know. They are wasting their time. Lots of questions I ask. And also with people with whom I talk.
Your fan ever asked you any funny question? Your fan,
Yes,
sometimes.
my fan also they asked me funny questions. Like one person was, I think if I talk about one more funny questions person, he was one person who had come to my home to take my interview. Like he took my interview at the time. He was taking my interview, so he was asking me some funny questions to me that time. Yes.
Okay, share me. Would you mind sharing only one question? Share with me as well. I also
I
want to laugh.
think, what will I say? Yes, that was like about, what will I say? Hmm, how can I say? About girl he was asking me. Yes,
Oh my God. Okay. Wow. This is a
yes,
very wonderful and funny question, right? So,
yes.
how do you feel like every day you meet with so many people? How do you feel like you are becoming so famous? You are already became a so famous person on YouTube. So, how do you feel? Is there any particular feeling would you like to share with me?
Really, why not? After becoming viral persons, famous person nowadays, I feel very good. Means whenever I go, I get fans of my YouTube channel. Like those who subscribe my channel, follow my channel, they take selfie with me. Girls also take selfie with me. So really, I feel great. And again, I am about to go for wedding procession.
Okay.
Girl side, I will go. So today, I think we are about to go. Marriage is happening. Is of a boy, like one boy, like his marriage is happening here. So evening time, we will go to girl's house, and that time I think lots of people will recognize me maybe. So really I'm feeling good that there are lots of fans I will get in girls village.
Okay. Right, right. It's a different kind of excitement and happiness, right? Once you get famous, isn't it?
Yes, really. And yes, after becoming famous, like we get different feelings than other, if we will compare ourselves with other those who are not famous, So really like we will feel like that, that everyone is well known to us, like everyone knows us like that. Wherever we will go, we will get friends, they will come, they will shake hand, they will ask us questions like that, how did you become, how did you do this? Like in which field we will get success in that field, about that field, they will ask questions. I got famous, then people are like always ask me, Jadum, how did you learn English? How are you talking with people on video call? What's the method? You are using any free application, paid application like that? They keep asking me regarding, spoken English like that. And means I am helping people already. I mentioned this on my video also in the beginning part of my video while editing. I mentioned by writing that those who want to take help from me for talking with people on video call, so they should call me. I have mentioned already Gmail ID. They can contact with me. I will tell them. And many people now they are starting their channel and they are working on YouTube after I got viral.
Wow, that's wonderful,
Yes.
Jadu. And I am also admire you that you are doing a wonderful job. And really kudos to you because in this age, many people or many students are not aware, right? They need to take guidance from others, but still you are putting a lot of efforts. Even however you are living in the village area, right? You didn't take
Yes.
guidance from anyone. You didn't learn this language superficially. Still, you are learning meticulously, and I really appreciate your efforts. You are the inspiration of so many people around this world, right? So you should,
Yes.
pat on your back that I am doing a wonderful job, and you should be grateful to God that God has given you this chance to be a famous over YouTube, right?
Yes. Actually, really for a long time I have been working over myself, like for getting success also. In the beginning time, that time mostly I was practicing English speaking in the forest area, like in the village, very well. If you will speak, people will think about your languages. He speaks a different English, he speaks different English like that. They will think, they will not understand. Then they can say crazy, he is crazy like that. So then I decided I should show up by opening YouTube channel that I was doing this. Like I was practicing because people were not able to know about me that what he was doing. So they knew me when I went viral on YouTube that Jadu was practicing English in the forest. Like that.
Yeah.
So they knew, and then many people started learning this language. Like they got inspiration, motivation from me.
Right, right. I can completely resonate with you. And here, I guess the quote is meant for you. Diamonds are created under pressure, and the people and the strong soul, like Jadu, created through struggle. And your struggle shows in your personality, Jadu. Right? So keep shining, keep growing. I guess you are the great example of us. You are the great inspiration for us, right? Do you have any question
Yes,
to ask me? Keep speaking. Please ask me if you
yes.
have.
Okay, why not? Yes, yes. So, first question I have from you to know one thing. Like nowadays, many people like they want to learn English, right? And they are quite, they are becoming gradually ready to learn this language because now many new YouTubers of English they are coming on YouTube. They want to learn English language. So tell them like from beginning to advanced, how can they become? Many people want to become from beginning, beginner level to advanced level. They want to go. So how can they go? What should they do
Uh,
first? If
yeah.
they don't know ready like is reading also. Yes.
Right. First of all, if someone wants to start from zero, they should check their level
Yes.
first, right? If I am going to
Yes.
start to learn this language from zero, right? So I should not be afraid of making mistakes, because mistakes are the mistakes are the part of our learning journey, right? And they should
Yes.
take a resolution that, like, I am going to be this level, I am going to take this level, achieve this level from January to December, right? After a year, if I am putting but regular efforts, right, January to December, so till December I would not be a beginner, right? Now I have to choose my another level. So in this first year they have to learn very basic things, right? Myself, introduction, daily routine, basic conversation, if I go somewhere, how I can talk basic with people. So they should learn these basic things first, right? So they
Yes.
don't need to boil the ocean, because we want instant result. I want to be like them instantly. They want instant gratification, which never ever possible for them, right? So they have to hold their horses, they have to be patient while learning this language, and they can they should keep it in their mind that this year I will do this, next year I will do that, and after then they should be see their advanced level. But it will take at approximately 2-3 years to reach an advanced level if they are putting efforts every day. Before that, it's never possible. They have to wait. I have been learning this language. It has been 2.5 years now. Still, I am not able to, speak fluently.
Yes.
But it was pleasure talking to you, Jadu. Thank you so much for accepting my request, and I really enjoyed this conversation. Thank you so much again.
Okay.
Okay, then. Bye bye.